Good morning, students. So today I am going to explain the class 6 standard fractions. Chapter number 15. Chapter number 15. So first of all we have to identify the fraction. What is a fraction? So fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. This you see. For example, if this is the one circle, will be there rectangle, anywhere, any figure you can take. So this is the four-sided. This is one shaded. One is shaded region. So in that circle, how many shaded? One. And total how many are there? How many shapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. If you take like that, another one. This shaded and this shaded, no problem. This you shade it. Okay, this part and this part we have to shade. So you have to calculate how the fraction will come. So 1, 2, 3, how many shaded? 2 shaded. And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of 6. Total number of 6. So what is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole. Whole means full. This is a part of whole circle. How many parts are there total? 4. Like that we have to remember that. And in the fraction, two things will be there. The above value in the baseline. The above value is numerator. Numerator. What it is? Numerator. And the below value we can call denominator. 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 The upper part of the value is the numerator, and after that down that line, that is the below value, that is a denominator. This is numerator, this is denominator. Right? Not only we can take circles, we can take any figure, type of figure. You take a square or rectangle. This you see. This part I will shade off. You can tell 1 shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of 6. Total number of parts are 6. This is the whole part of the given value. This is the part of that we are getting in a rectangle also. If you take this type of figures, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is shaded. Shaded region. Right? Shaded. This is also shaded. Right? So you see here, how many shaded regions are there? 2. And total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is shaded and 3 is unshaded. That is total is 5. Did you got understood? This is the numerator. This is denominator. This is also numerator. This is denominator. Did you got understood? Okay. Understood these points? Okay. Now here the given. This is the given of the fraction. A fraction can also written as such a slope slash between the numbers. Then in case of the numerator and the left. Here you see this is the circle. How many given of that? Shaded 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded. 4 is shaded. And total 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. 4 by 9 we can write also. Here also you take example. See here. So similarly I thought 1, 2, 3 shaded. And total is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is unshaded and a 3. Total number of parts are 4. Here also, this is the square box are given in that. So how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the shaded 12. And total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The total number of 16. The total number of parts are 16. But shaded is 12. So here also we can take. This is very simple here also. So we can take here the circle also we can take here. See, this is the circle, this is the shaded, and this is not shaded. One is shaded, that is 1. Total number of figures are the half semicircles are 2. Semi means half circles. Here you see, in that shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your lines are there in that C. Okay, you can see also, I will zoom it here. So you can see here also. See here, this is one line, this is one line, this is one sector, this is one sector, and this is one sector. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sectors. But here also this is 4 and this is also 4. How many total? That is 8. Did you got understood? That is the way of that we have to find the value. And here now you come to that point is, so we are shaded the figure of the shown the figure 1, 2, 3. How many are there? This is one square, this is one square, this is one rectangle. See, so only one square is shaded, 1. And total remaining how much? 1, 2, 3. Total is how much? 1 shaded, unshaded, this is rectangle. Square, square. 2 squares, 1 rectangle. That is 3. That is right. She is a right. Why? Because she cried a shaded by Diya has not divided the equal parts. So she has not divided here also the equal parts of the 2 squares. So the part cannot be written as a fraction. Hence the answer is not 1 by 3. This is wrong method. Understood? So this we have to write because equal parts should be there. Equal parts should be there, then we can write in a fraction. But she has written as a wrong. So 1 square, this is 1 square and this is 1 square. Total 4 squares should be there. Then we can find out the easily. Because 2 squares will be there, 1 rectangle will be there. So we cannot find out the in a fraction. Got understood? These things you have to write in a class first. What fraction of the each figures? So this is one triangle, this is one triangle, one is shaded triangle. Total how much? That is 1 by 3. 1 is shaded and 2 remaining, that is 1, 2, 3. Total is equal to 1 by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. And shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 6. Did you got understood? And here also you see, these are the flowers should be given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is total and shaded is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shaded is 6. This is the value you have to write in this also. You have to write in a classwork also. Got understood? And next I would like to explain the fraction in a representations. This is the given of that. So 0 to 1 will be there. This is the fraction will be there representing on the fraction to fraction strip. This is the half value. This is the point should be given. You have to remember that is half portion. That is 1 by 2. That is 0 to 1. There is a middle of the midpoint of that. That is for 1 by 2. Did you got understood? Next, like that is only given. The example I will explain here. This type of exams I will explain here. So, write the fraction in the shown in the following figure. This is 1. Not divided any part. Only 1. This is 2. 2 parts. This is equal to 2 parts. That is 1 by 2. Right? Here 1 by 3 because in one figure they have divided 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. That is 1 by 3. So here one figure is there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many parts are there? 4 parts will be there. Like that we have to write. Solution here you see. Solution also is there. First one is 1. Second one is 2 equal part. Half and half. This is also half. This is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That is in one only they are made one third. 1, 2, 3 parts. That is 1 by 3. And here also 1 by 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts are there. 1 divided by total is 1 and divided by 4 equal parts. Here also total is 1 and how many parts are there? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also given here in the example. This also you should write in the classwork also. Understood? Okay. So this is the value shown in the fraction of that. This is 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4 on the number line. So 0 by 4 is here, 1 by 4 is here, 2 by 4 is here, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. Because 0 to 1 it will come 1 is here, 5 by 5, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 like that it will come. But maximum is 1 4, 2 4, 3 4, 4 4. That is 1. 1 4 by 4 we cancel, it will become 1. This is understood. So you have to write in a classwork also this. And coming to this point, see here. So here, see, mark as a fraction on the number line. So 2 by 4, we have to write. 2 by 4 it will come. This is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. If you divide 4 by 4, we will get cancel. If you cancel this, see here. 4 divided by 4. 4 on the cancel. 1 by 1. 4 on the 1 by 1 is equal to 1 only. The answer will come 1 only. So the 1 is there already here. That is 4 by 4. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 4 by 4. The value should come here. Like that we have to take. Next, mixed numbers on the fractions also we can take explanation here. So in this part, and so this also you see here there is a mixed fraction. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by, that is 1 integer. Total number of 8 is 1 by 8. That is 1. This is one figure and total number is 1. And this is unshaded, and this is 1. That is unshaded. This is shaded 1. This is one figure, one shaded, and total number of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. So we can write 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 by 8. This is converting as a mixed fraction to improper fraction. Did you got understood? In addition also we can do that. Multiplication we have to do in this. Addition, multiplication and then addition we have to do. If any value will be given, see, I will explain here. See here, mixed fraction is given means 2 1 by 3 should be given. 2 integer 1 by 3. How to pronounce this? 2 integer 1 by 3. You have to basic things you have to remember that. 3 2s are 6. We have to multiply here and add it 1 this. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. The denominator value should be as it is. Denominator value should be as it is. Next it is given 3 1 by 7 or 2 by 7. Now you see 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2. 3 7s are multiply we have to do here. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2. We have to add it to this value. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 divided by 7. This is the value we are getting into that. Understood? Now the next, so say some questions I will give you. You have to solve by itself only, or I will explain here only. So the value should be given on the mixed fraction to improper fractions. See here. Improper fractions. See here. So 1 3 by 4. Now you see the first one. Examples. You have to write in classwork also this. Right? 4 on the 4. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 3. 4 on the 4. Multiply. Plus 3. 4 on the 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 divided by 4. Sorry. 7 divided by 4. This is the value of the improper fractions we are getting into that. Now similarly the second question we have to solve. So you see here 3 integer 5 by 6. See 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 6 21. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 6 21. 21 divided by 5. This is the value of that second one. So similarly the third one, and 4 integer 6 by 7. See here. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6 34. 28 plus 4. 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6 we have to add this. 28 plus 6 34. 34 divided by 7. These are we are getting the improper fractions. And the fourth one, and 5 integer, that is 2 by 3. Now you see 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 divided by 3. The denominator value should be as it is. The denominator should be as it is. We have to put in the value. Understood my points? You have to write in the classwork also these values. Okay. Next we got this. Divide the numerator and multiply. Divide the numerator of the multiplication of that we are taken. So mixed fraction I taught you all. So 4 questions I have given. So here also I will give in that. Next I would like to explain convert improper to proper fractions. That is for improper to fractions. So the first one you see here, that is 2 integer 3 by 4. How to write this? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, that is 11. 11 by 4. 11 by 4. Did you got understood? This is mixed fraction to a proper fraction. We are taken already that. Right? So this is first, this is and all. We have to write in the same part. Understood? So next one. See here. Convert improper to mixed fraction. The first one you see here, that is given. What is the value should be given? 20 by 3. 20 by 3. How to write means, you see here, If you want, you can divide also, no problem. But in 3 table, you see in the 3 table, nearest to the 20, what it will come in the 3 table? Less than 20, not more than 20. So I have decided to write this 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 because less than 20. Less than 20. 3 6 are 18. 18 and how much we will add? You will get 20. That is plus 2. This is the value of that. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 20 because of the given question 20. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. Similarly, the second question you have to take it here. See. Now,